Today I'm going to talk about yoga. As yoga we know as a yoga stretching and aerobic. The true meaning of yoga is derived from Sanskrit word yuj, which means union, yoke, to join. It is the willful union of our own self with the Lord. Yoga helps one to attain Samyukti, the communion with the God. There is a discussion between Arjuna and Krishna in Bhagavad Gita where Arjuna was restless. He was not sure how he can control his emotions because the mind is driving him really crazy. Then he tells Krishna, "You have told me of yoga as a communion with the Brahman, who is the universal spirit. How can this be permanent since the mind is so restless and inconsistent? How can I have my union with the God? The mind is impetuous and stubborn, strong and willful, as difficult as to harness as the wind." To that Sri Krishna replies and he says, "Undoubtedly, the mind is restless and hard to control, but it can be trained. And it can be trained with constant practice, which is abhyasa, and the freedom from desire, which is vairagya. A man who cannot control his mind will find it difficult to attain this divine communion. But the self-controlled man can attain it if he tries and directs his energy by the right means."